Replacement of the defrost heating element in the freezer. Prepare the necessary tools. Remove the access panel. Pull out the refrigeration unit. Remove the panel screws. Disconnect the power cord from the outlet. Extract the faulty heating element. Test the heating element for damage. Install a new heating element. Install the cover plate. Connect the power cord to the outlet. Apply sealant to provide a thermal barrier. Reinstall the refrigeration unit in its original position. Reinstall the cover. This completes the job.